This is Kason. Kason is playing with our Lego DUPLO fire truck. Kason is special needs and he enjoys all things with wheels. As you can see, he's trying out all these different creative ways of using this truck. Kason, do we know? Can we push the light? Wow! As you can see, he's learnt pressing the button is an awesome way to make it go. We have a cat in the tree. We have a fireman on the ladder, don't we, Kason? Did he rescue the cat? Oh, we'll look in the box to see if there's anything else. Is that pretty cool? I would suitably say that he's very impressed with our Lego DUPLO fire truck. Awesome!